Good afternoon from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Monday, March the 18th, 2013. Summary of some of the points I'll be talking about here over the next couple of minutes. Prolonged period of lake effect snow developing tonight, continuing through Thursday. Well below normal temperatures this week. Some improvement in conditions toward the end of the week. And really no sign of significant spring warmth through the end of the month. Now specifically with regard to the hazards, we've got some widespread, generally lighter snows tonight. 1 to 3 inches in many areas, a little bit of freezing drizzle also possible. There will be an impact with that though, with some snow-covered slick roads, especially as temperatures dip below freezing here. We'll get a little bit more icy on the roadways and reduced visibilities. The main weather story is going to be the prolonged period of lake effect snow, and this will be targeting some of the typical snowbelt areas, northwest lower Michigan, eastern upper, where 6 to 10 inches of total snowfall possible through later Thursday, and some gale warnings in effect for portions of the Great Lakes through Tuesday. Looking at the snowfall just over the next 24 hours, snowfall tonight more widespread. A lot of areas will see at least an inch or two of snow tonight. Heaviest in areas closer to Lake Michigan, some of the higher terrain, parts of eastern upper. In the southeast corner down here, not as much snowfall, where temperatures will be a little bit warmer at the onset, so more of that snow will melt. And then on Tuesday we transition to a little bit more of a pure lake effect event, so seeing some of the heaviest snowfall totals basically downwinds of Lake Superior and Lake Michigan. Sort of looking at the timing, highlighting the prolonged nature of this event, and really we're going to see snow in some of the lake effect areas over several days here, beginning tonight and all the way through the day on Thursday, and there's those gale warnings for some of the Great Lakes through tomorrow afternoon. So what areas are going to be targeted with the lake effect snow? Well, in northern lower Michigan, this would be from the I-75 corridor basically westward, and in eastern upper Michigan from the Sault Ste. Marie area westward as well. Now, is there any signs of significant warming coming? Well, as I mentioned earlier, not really. This is the 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us all the way to the end of the month. And as you can see, below normal temperatures continue over the eastern United States with above normal precipitation, some of that likely in the form of snow, continuing through the end of the month. So right now, winter is hanging on strong, and spring is just a bit delayed. So looking at some of the details once again, we've got that snow developing tonight. There could be a little bit of freezing drizzle as well. Generally 1 to 3 inches of snow tonight for many areas, a little bit less in the southeast corner where temperatures will be a little bit warmer at the onset. And then that prolonged snowfall event Tuesday through Thursday, temperatures remaining in the 20s. There will be some wind as well, so there's going to be some areas of blowing snow. Accumulation, certainly 6 to 10 inches of total snowfall, and that's over a several day period in those favored lake effect areas. Improving conditions as we get toward Friday and into the weekend. Slowly modifying temperatures finally getting up at least into the 30s, maybe touching 40 in a few locations by the end of the weekend. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. I do thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.